In the next 24 hours, this channel is going to hit a milestone that takes most people 3 years. We are going for 1,000 subscribers in a single day. Now, most gurus will tell you to just post quality content, but that is a lie. If you want 1,000 people to click that button today, you need a psychological trigger. By the end of this 3-minute video, you're going to have the exact blueprint I'm using to force the algorithm to notice us. But first, you need to understand why you're currently stuck at 0. The reason you don't have subscribers isn't your camera or your lighting, it's because you're making content for yourself, not the viewer. YouTube is a value exchange. Every time someone hits subscribe, they're making an investment in their future self. They are saying, I want more of this feeling, or I need more of this result. To get 1,000 subs in 24 hours. We aren't just making a video, we are starting a movement. We're going to use 3 specific pillars: the trend jack, the loophole, and the community catalyst. Pillar 1, you need to find a titan in your niche. Find the biggest creator who just posted a video that's currently blowing up. Your job isn't to copy them, it's to solve the problem they left out. If they showed a what, you show the how. This puts you in their suggested sidebar. That is where the traffic for our 1,000 sub sprint is coming from. When people finish their video, they should see yours and think, I need the rest of the story. Now, look at the subscriber count. We are pushing for that 1,000 sub goal as an experiment to prove this works. If you've gotten even 1 ounce of value, hit subscribe. If we hit the goal, I'm going to release a raw breakdown of the analytics to everyone who joined today. Don't miss that. Now, let's get to the most important part, Pillar 2. Pillar 2 is the community tab. While this video is running, you need to post a poll every 4 hours. Use the image poll feature. Ask a question that people feel a need to answer. In 2026, the algorithm pushes polls to people who haven't seen your videos yet. When they vote, your next video, this video shows up on their homepage. It's a double tap strategy that creates a massive wave of new viewers. The blueprint is simple. Solve a titan's problem, ask for the sub to join the experiment, and fuel the fire with polls. I'm doing it right now. The clock is ticking. Click the link in the description to see the live results. I'll see you in 24 hours when we hit the mark. Let's get to work.